Is it possible to disable auto jump in Roblox Mobile? Now let's have to find out from the application itself. Now, disabling auto jump in Roblox can actually be depending on the specific experience that you will be playing, because not all those settings will be visible on your end. So say for example this kind of experience from water park. If you go ahead and pull up into the settings in game, you will not be able to find auto jump from the specific experience. But that specific feature does also comes with games like Eugene Land, Scary Teacher, and so on and so forth. But again, auto jump may not be available for all of the features on Roblox. All you just have to do to check it out is to go into settings and see if auto jump is visible in there, and you just have to turn it off. And yes, those are the things that you can do for you to disable auto jump and Roblox Mobile.